In every home, there's a story waiting to be built. One shelf, one repair, one weekend project at a time. It's the story of turning a house into a home, adding your personal touch, and the satisfaction of a job well done. But for many homeowners, the cost of tools can feel like a major roadblock. You see these amazing projects online, get inspired, and then you see the price tag on the gear and think, maybe next year. What if you could power your home projects without draining your wallet? What if you could get the right tools for the job without breaking the bank? Well, that's where a little-known secret among savvy DIYers comes into play. Harbor Freight Tools has become the go-to destination for budget-conscious builders, mechanics, and homeowners. It's a place where you can find surprisingly capable tools that get the job done. Today, we're not just browsing. We're going on a mission to spotlight 5 high-value, budget-friendly tools that every single homeowner should consider adding to their collection. These are the tools that will pay for themselves over and over again. First up, let's talk about the absolute foundation of any toolkit, the cordless drill. Meet the Warrior 12V cordless drill. This thing is a little beast. It's compact, it's reliable, and best of all, it's typically priced under $25. For everyday tasks, this is your new best friend. Think about it. Hanging pictures, putting up curtain rods, assembling that notorious IKEA bookshelf that's been sitting in the box for weeks. The Warrior drill makes quick work of all those little jobs that can feel like a huge chore without the right tool. It's light enough that you won't get tired holding it, but it has enough juice to get you through most household tasks with ease. It's the perfect entry point. Now, what happens when you need a bit more muscle? When a standard drill just isn't cutting it for driving long screws into dense wood or loosening a stubborn, rusted bolt? That's when you graduate to the Bauer 25V cordless impact driver. This is a serious step up. An impact driver delivers rotational impacts, short, powerful bursts of torque that drive fasteners with incredible force. With the Bauer, you'll feel the difference immediately. It's part of a growing ecosystem of 20V tools, so the same battery can power a whole range of other equipment. This makes it a smart investment for anyone looking to seriously expand their DIY arsenal without having to manage a dozen different battery systems. Next, let's venture into the world of metalwork and heavy-duty grinding. This is the Bauer 4.5-inch electric angle grinder. Don't let its size fool you. This tool is a powerhouse, and you can usually find it for under $25s. An angle grinder is one of the most versatile tools you can own. Need to cut through rebar, tile, or a rusted-out bolt? No problem. Want to clean up welds, remove rust from old metal, or sharpen your lawnmower blades? This is the tool for the job. It's a true favorite among garage warriors and weekend welders for a reason. It's tough, it's effective, and at this price, it's almost an impulse buy that you'll end up using for years. All right, let's head outside. Yard work doesn't have to be a back-breaking, dangerous chore. Forget about wobbling on a ladder with a handsaw. The Portland electric pole saw makes trimming overgrown branches safe, easy, and almost fun. Extending up to 9 feet, it lets you reach high into trees to clear dead limbs or trim back branches that are getting a little too close to the house, all while your feet are firmly on the ground. For under $80, this tool is an absolute game changer for your home's curb appeal. A well-maintained yard adds so much value and enjoyment to your home, and the Portland pole saw makes that maintenance accessible to everyone. Finally, we have a true classic, an icon of the workshop, the circular saw. The Bauer 14-amp 7/1 or 4-inch circular saw delivers solid, dependable power and precision for both DIYers and pros. When you need to make straight, clean cuts through lumber for a new deck, a bookshelf, or framing a wall, this is your workhorse. It slices through 2x4s and plywood with ease. Its ergonomic design feels comfortable in your hands, giving you dependable control for every cut. The smooth cutting action and raw power prove that you do not need to spend a fortune to get professional-grade results on your woodworking projects. These 5 tools are more than just pieces of equipment. They are enablers. They prove that you don't need a massive budget to build something meaningful, to fix what's broken, or to create something beautiful. With a smart selection of tools from a place like Harbor Freight, any homeowner can tackle repairs, upgrades, and bring their dreams to life, one project at a time. So get out there, get inspired, and start building. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more DIY gear reviews and project tips. We'll see you in the next one.